In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your Wi-Fi DMX Pro fixture library step by step. First, enter the Wi-Fi DMX Pro interface. Click on Fixture to enter the fixture editing interface. The app defaults with 6 fixtures. For demonstration purposes, I'll delete them all like this. Next, we'll create 3 new fixture libraries. Pay attention to my actions. You'll need to rename them first. Long press until the rename page appears. Here, we'll input 1. Click OK. Then, navigate to the My Fixtures page. Select the newly created channel from the pop-up list. This way, you can add your desired channels to your own fixture library. Similarly, we'll create libraries 2 and 3. Once created, we'll return to the control page. Activate the corresponding channels, and you're ready to control your lighting as you please. It's that simple. Why not give it a try right away?